Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be unboxing this month's BoxyCharm. As you beautiful people know, this is about the products, not the people behind them. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. So, how is everyone today? I am just waking up. Oh my goodness, I'm tired. But otherwise, life is great. I hope wherever you're at in the world, you are having a wonderful day so far. I'm actually really excited to unbox this, but we do have to talk about a few things. So last month, I did not have time to do an unboxing, which I'm kind of glad because apparently BoxyCharm had a kerfuffle. You know that I will always be 1000% real with you. Doesn't matter if somebody sends me something. BoxyCharm does provide the service to me at no charge to review for you, but does that mean I'm gonna sugarcoat a damn thing? Hell no. And I'm not gonna sugarcoat this topic, even though I don't know a whole lot, so we really can't talk that much about it. But I guess in last month's BoxyCharm and maybe previous BoxyCharms, there was like a dupe. I don't even want to call it a dupe, but I guess one of the palettes was like a knockoff, but still by the same company. It's like it made its own knockoff or something. I don't fully understand it. I don't exactly know the full extent of it, so I guess I can't really go into it as much as I'd wanted. But make sure you check that out if you do want to become a BoxyCharmer. BoxyCharm does provide me with a link down below for you to use. Please feel free to use it, but don't feel obligated. It's there if you want it, I'm just saying. Hopefully it was a learning experience for them and we start off this month fresh and new. I guess that's really all I can say, but if you are interested in BoxyCharm, this box is $25 and I think you get like $125 or $150 worth of product. I know you get like 5 full-size products, so you don't get little samples or anything. And so I've always thought it was worth it. I know I do get it for free, but even if I were like a paying subscriber, there has rarely been a moment where I've ever been disappointed in a box, and I think we've been doing this for like 3 years now. So I think it's a good box, but what happened last month definitely did not leave the best flavor in my mouth. It's like the end of that really bad date a couple years ago. Oh, except in that case, my mouth really did taste bad. All right, let's go ahead and open her up. I'm gonna open it with a nice screw because who doesn't like a good screw, right? Oh God. All right, so usually on the top they have some kind of card that gives us like a topic or a theme. Let's see, do we not have it? Let's really reach in there, and here we go. It just says BoxyCharm Pretty Edgy, and it's a picture of concrete. Huh. Okay, well, we'll just set this to the side. The back of that has all the names and the prices, and so we'll look at that later. And let's dive in. What do we have first? God, there's so much fucking packaging foam in here. Here we have a BoxyCharm palette. I don't think I've ever seen like an actual BoxyCharm palette before. This says, "Hello, Charmers." These are shimmer pressed eyeshadows, I guess. Let's open this up. It's cute packaging, very, very simple, and ooh, that's fun. On there it says buy, sell, or trade Boxy Babes. That's interesting. It's just a bunch of hashtags on there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's cute. And then let's open her up and oops, shit. Oh, that's actually kind of pretty. Oh my God. Oh. So I'm instantly drawn to Charmer in full size because that one, I don't know if you can see the shift it has, but it's like green and then blue and then violet. That's actually really fucking pretty. I have not seen a pressed shadow like that before. Or if I have, it wasn't as big, so like the shift wasn't as noticeable. Damn, that's really pretty. And then swipe up is obviously a glitter. Like, it's pretty to look at, but I don't know that it's fun to play with. But that's actually a pretty cute palette, so we will definitely use that. I guess before I put it away, let me just do a few swatches. I have to do full size right here, which, ooh, she's a chunky monkey, but we still love her. And then swipe up, which is that glitter, and oh, that's a multi-chrome glitter too. Maybe I can get the camera to focus. Come on. There we go. Do you see that? And then let's try one matte. Let's do a spoiler. Oh God, that's really soft. Let's do that right there. Oh God, that is a normal glitter where it just sticks to everything. I hate it already. Then we have the multi-chrome. Oh, that is really, really pretty. And then the matte is actually really good and soft feeling too, so I'm excited to see how those perform with a brush. Alright, then what do we have? A men's panty holder? No, this is the, what is this? French Lavender Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. Ooh, that's fun. I've actually had, oh my gosh, I think I've had this exact same thing. No, mine had a different fragrance, but it was shaped just like this. But this is a body wash plus buffer, dermatologist tested. It cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. Ooh, maybe I can sit on it. Very cute, and it's very fragrant. I'm not sure I love the fragrance, like it's very feminine, and I love that like husky manly smell. Nothing says fuck me like a rugged beard smell. All right, next a Mini vibrator, finally. No, this is a Becca something, Becca Glow Gloss, and, well, I mean, it could be used for, okay. Oh, wow, that really is interesting packaging. I don't know that I like it because, like, I store my lipstick. Actually, no, I store them like that, so this is fine. But this is a Becca Glow Gloss, which, ooh, let's try it. Tastes like a candy cane, but like if a candy cane fucked an Altoid, it's kind of nice. Very comfortable on the lips too, like it's not sticky. It kind of reminds me of the Jeffree Star formula. If you've ever used that, it's just a little bit more oily. I like that, and it looks nice too. This says, illuminate your lips with a luxe conditioning lip color that combines the shine of a gloss and nourishing benefits of a balm. This has three-dimensional light-reflecting pigments. It's formulated with vitamin E, shea, and muro butters for soft, supple lips. Mwah, kiss me, bitch. Very nice. This box is getting a little bit lighter, much unlike me. My gym is closed, you know, I've got to work out at home, and I mean, that's never gonna happen. So, okay, what is this? Something heavy. Is it a lube? No. This is by Pharmacy Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I love melting cleansing balms. It's like cherry chapstick meets urinal cakes, but in the best way possible. Whoops. And it comes with a cute little scooper. Let's scoop some out. Ooh, okay, let me take just a teeny tiny little bit right there on my very, very dry hand. Oh, very nice. Kind of like oily. It's very like coconut oily. I wonder what's in it. Definitely not coconut oil. It's got quite a few different things in it, like a very, very long list, but it smells really good and it's super soft. I guess this is a pink cherry scented version of our best-selling Green Clean Cleansing Balm infused with vitamin C rich, oh, some kind of cherry. Does not look like any kind of cherry that I popped, so not interested. This nourishing facial cleansing balm melts away the makeup and pollution residue. Even the boldest eye makeup and long-wearing foundation is easily removed, leaving skin hydrated and silky smooth. Can I put some of that on my butt? Very fun. And then, is that it? I feel like we have one more thing in here. Yes, we have a Murad Hydration Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. Normally, we don't get a lot of like skincare items or like body stuff, but they must know that my skin is dry as shit. And I don't know that I've ever had like a Murad product either. Ooh, and it doesn't have a fragrance. Oh my, and the instructions are like on the inside too. That's always fun. Definitely what I want to see after I've had a few shots of tequila. Like I'm gonna open that up and read it. No, honey, I'm just gonna slather that on my eyes. We can deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream. Wow. The blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract seals in moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness. Oh my god, I'm gonna take a fucking bath in that. God, I'm warm. I've got to turn the fan on. Sorry if you can hear it, but oh, the bitch is hot. All right, before we hop into a look, let me go ahead and read this off. This Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes retails for $70. What? Holy hell, this better be made with like Santa's sperm. Then we have a KVD anti-precision eyeliner. No. Did I miss that somewhere? I did not. Well, where's my, I really love the KVD liner too, so that bums me out. What did I get instead of it? Oh, okay, they gave me the wrong little thing because they don't have the Very Cherry. So this is what I got instead of the liner. Fuck, I wanted the liner. Not that I won't use the shit out of this, I mean I will, but I love a good liner. Okay, so according to Google, this retails for around like $34, $35-ish dollars. But on like every website it has 5 out of 5 stars, so that's really good. Then this BoxyCharm palette retails for $40. I guess that's not that bad. I mean, it's a good size and it did seem pretty good quality. But this palette features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades made specifically with our charmers in mind. These highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth textures for transitional day-to-night looks. Then we have the Becca Gloss, which I do really like it's very, very comfortable. This retails for $22. I guess that's pretty typical for a Becca product. Then the Body Sponge retails for $16. How is this the cheapest thing on here? But for $16, you get 14 plus washes. Unless you're a dirty bitch like me and this only gets you one. All right, so let's go ahead and hop into a very, very, very simple look. I actually have to film a couple videos today, so I can't go like all out. But I do really want to try this palette palette, so let's go. Okay, so lately my skin has been extremely dry. Like, fuck this winter up the ass. This winter has bent me over and had its way with me. So to give my skin a little bit of extra moisture, I've been going in with face oils as primers, and it's been working marvelously. Like, my makeup looks banging, it lasts all day. So to add a little bit of moisture and glow, I'm gonna go in with these KPS drops. And you don't need very much. I used way too much of it, but I do really want to glow under my foundation. I'm pretty sure this is made to be like a highlighter, but whatever. I'm actually gonna go in with another squirt because my skin is so dry. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with this little sample that I got from Makeup Forever. It's Matte Velvet Skin 24-hour wear, and I don't know what fucking shade this is. But I've never used it, and it's probably a little bit too dark for me, but we'll still give it a try. Maybe I have used it. I don't know, I don't remember. Ooh, shit, that is definitely way too fucking yellow for me. Whatever. Okay, that color honestly was way off, and the only thing that I have to match it is my Dior Backstage. So I'm just gonna go over that Makeup Forever with this. I don't know why, but I love to throw in my Dior Backstage any chance I can. Then for concealer, I'm gonna go in with some Tarte Shippy Tippy. Then to prime the eyes, I'm gonna dip into some Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas. All right, honey, let's dive in. So first, I think I'm gonna take a clean, fluffy brush, and let's dip into Premium. And I'm just gonna take this back and forth all along the crease line just to create a nice neutral tone. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Very subtle, but I like that. And it blends out nicely. It's kind of one of those shadows that blends itself out, which I am a lazy hoe, so I like that. Plus, it's great for those beginners out there. Then to build that up a little bit more, I'm gonna dip into Spoiler and pretty much place it right below what I just put down. Ooh, that's pretty too. And then I kind of want to play with this beautiful kind of like brick red here, Unboxing. So I'm gonna take that on a little tiny baby brush and place it right here on the outer corner and kind of work it into the crease. Ooh, that's pretty. With that yellow, it kind of turns orange. I'm just gonna take that from the outer eye to the inner eye in kind of like a C motion. And once most of it's off my brush, I'm gonna slowly start to work it up towards the brow. Ooh, it does need a little bit of building up. Like, this is with 3 dips, but I was able to get it to be the color that's in the pan. That's really pretty. And then let's go ahead and deepen up the outer corner with some Cup of Joe. Oh my god, that sounds really good. Actually, I have some right here. Oh, never mind. There is definitely something floating in here, and I don't know what that is. What is that? It's like piece of a tree. Do you, I can't get you to, what is that? Okay. Well, at least I have this Cup of Joe. I'm gonna dip into it with that brush that I put that red on. Ew. And that's nice. The only bad thing is that it's a little bit lighter than this red, and so I need like a deep brown so that I can really make this look glammed up, but we'll still use it. That's me acting like I don't have 1,000 palettes with a brown that I could use in it, so you can easily pull from other palettes, but that is something that I long for with this. Otherwise, it seems pretty good. And like, I am able to build it up and make it a little bit dark. Oh, fuck. I really want to use one of these shades right here, but I don't know that I want to do a cut crease today. But of course, we will still do a cut crease, so I'm just gonna use some Tarte Shippy Tippy and cut them bitches. Because there wasn't a whole lot of deep shades to work with to really build up like the cut crease quality, I'm just gonna go in with a super light crease. Then I'm gonna moisten a flat brush with some setting spray if it wants to work. Come on, baby, come on, you can do it, honey. Oh, there we go. Oh god, that's a very confident jet. Whew. And I think I'm gonna dip into full-sized right here. I would go for that glitter, but I hate glitter, so no. Oh god, this turns black. Maybe this wasn't a good choice. Okay, instead, let's try some Charmer. Oh, there we go. That's really pretty. I'm not sure that I really love the color combination, but we'll still make it work. And I'm also gonna drag a little bit of that blue right under here. And then I kind of want this to be a little bit more like greenish gold, so I'm gonna dip into Sneak Peek and place that over that blue we just laid down. And hopefully together it'll make it a little bit more goldy. Oh my god, this is not a cute look. I'm actually gonna take my concealer and kind of go over what I just laid down because I like the shimmer colors, but I don't know that they really go with the transition shades. So instead, I'm gonna leave the blue down there, but I'm gonna just cover this with gold. It's much safer than I normally would ever go, but I don't know, the color combos just, I wasn't feeling it. So instead, I'm gonna pack on some Luxe. Maybe I should use my finger for this. Let's try that. Oh, there we go. That's really fucking pretty. And then right here in the inner corner, I'm gonna take some Pop Up and then some Cup of Joe on the lower lash. Okay, normally I don't dip into other palettes when I'm like reviewing a palette, but I need a little bit more color. So I'm gonna dip into this Makeup Geek palette right here, into this kind of like plummy color. And I'm gonna take that right here on the outer corner and just add a little bit of oomph to this look. And let's take a little bit on the lower lash as well. And here we are with the final look. I do quite like it. It's very pretty, nice, soft, subtle glam. And I love this gloss so much. Oh god, there's hair on it. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure that I'm like totally in love with this palette. Like, it is really pretty and the quality is good, but for some reason, like, I don't know, I probably fucked it up somehow. Quality-wise, it's really good. I do just wish there was like a deeper shadow in there that I could blend out the outer corner, but otherwise, I thought it was a pretty decent palette. The lip gloss, I really like. These other things, I didn't really get a chance to use. Like, I don't want to use this yet because I'm not ready to take my makeup off, and I already took a fucking shower today, so I'm not gonna use this. And then that leaves this, which obviously I'm not gonna smear this over my concealer, so for the most part, I do really like this box. I do kind of wish that we got more makeup items though. But I do know that you can go online and kind of customize your box. So if you want more skincare products, they'll send you that. Or if you want more makeup items, they'll send you that. So maybe I'll go on there and customize mine a little bit more. Been doing this for years and I only just realized that you could do that. So I'm not exactly positive how much this really is. It seems like there's a few different prices for this guy, but if you add up everything that we got today, it would be around $183, which shit, $25 for almost $200 worth of makeup things, like not bad. So there you go. Thank you all so much for being here. I love having you. If you would like to become a BoxyCharmer, please feel free to use the link down below, but like I said, do not feel obligated to go through me. And if you'd like to support me and my channel a little bit more, please feel free to join me on Patreon. It is very cheap, just like me. But there you'll have access to Patreon-only giveaways, Patreon-only videos, and you'll get access to these videos a day early, so there's lots of little goodies over there. But like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget, my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which just changed from black to white, is available at thepoplex.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at OfficialNady. You can follow me online at thepoplex.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye!